Hello friends, today we'll be talking about 10 tips of IELTS speaking. These tips will be very useful for you to get through IELTS speaking test. Watch this video till end, you'll be more comfortable regarding IELTS speaking. So let's start now. Tip number 1 is don't memorize your answers. Try to be spontaneous. Try to be original in your ideas and your speaking. The more you will be original, the more you will be spontaneous, the more you will be extempore, you will be getting more bands in IELTS speaking test. Tip number 2 is try to use familiar and relevant words, simple words which are commonly understandable. You can use 2 or 3 words which may be uncommon but familiar or easy to understand. This will leave a good impression on the mind of the examiner. But in general, try to use relevant, familiar, and easy, simple words while you are speaking. Tip number 3, use range of grammatical structures, simple and compound sentences that can show that you have a good command on the grammar of English language, because grammar is very important. Sometimes it is very complex, but having a good command on sentences using different types of tenses, using different types of prepositions and sentence structure, phrases and clauses, certainly it will leave a good impression to the examiner. Tip number 4, don't worry about your accent. Try to be natural, try to speak in your own accent, but important thing is correct grammar, vocabulary, and correct sentence structure. You may pause for a few seconds, like 1 or 2 seconds, to think, and you can use phrases like let me see or it's an interesting question. Try to be more natural in your communication. Try to be more comfortable with the examiner in your speaking. Tip number 6 is avoid using fillers like ooh, like that. This shows that you are reluctant or you are not comfortable while answering to any question. So it shows that you are having lack of confidence, you are not having proper vocabulary, you are not having proper ideas to present to some particular questions. So try to avoid these fillers, try to be more fluent, natural, and connect your ideas from one to another. Tip number 7 is extend your answers. Try to answer in more detail. Like you can connect various ideas with your answer. Try to be more elaborative. Try to explain certain ideas or things. Try to explain the question asked to you by the examiner. It will certainly leave a good impression that you have good understanding, you have good vocabulary, you have good ideas to present to any particular question. So yes, you can extend your answers, but these should be relevant. Irrelevant extension will leave a bad impression. Tip number 8 is keep smiling, like you should be having a smiling face. This will be having some cordial environment, friendly environment during the speaking test. Tip number 9 is don't speak in monotone. Try to use intonation. Try to emphasize the words, the concepts that is important. That it will be easier to understand for the examiner what is important while you are speaking and what is not so important. So intonation, rise and fall of the sound, emphasis, stress on certain important words or points is very important. Like a monotone means like you are speaking in one continuous tone. So you have to use intonation, you have to use rise and fall of your sound. Tip number 10 is practice common IELTS topics that can be given in your speaking test. So there are certain common topics which are normally asked in IELTS speaking test. For your assistance, some important topics are education, transport system, environment, family life, sports and recreation, crime and punishment, the internet. So these are some important topics that can be discussed in your IELTS speaking test. So you can focus on these topics, you can brainstorm, you can collect some important ideas separately regarding to each topic. That will be really helpful during your IELTS speaking test. I hope this video will be useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe our channel AJ Edufy, like it, comment it, and share it. Keep watching our videos regularly. Thank you very much.